Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to cancel call forwarding, a very simple way. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who supports it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the calls application on your phone. After that, click on the three small dots above here, then click on the settings. After that, you will find call forwarding here. Click on it. After that, you wait a little while until all these settings are red. Then you enter each one of them and choose disable. Then you enter the second and choose disable and disable call forwarding for all these settings here. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. No inquiries. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.